Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies. And this is me officially jumping into 4 group builds this year. I'm going to keep it at that because we still do the quarterly group builds for our Facebook group, and I want to still jump in with those as I can. So let me break down which ones I'm doing this year, and maybe you want to jump into them too, because these are all pretty cool. Let's start out with Bruce from Bruce's Eclectic World. Him and One Team Garage grouped together, and they're putting on Super Chrome Group Build 2026. Hashtag Super Chrome GB26. This is going to start January 30th, 2026, and run all the way till December 31st of 2026. All the chrome you can get is what they're looking for. It's going to be a blast. I already have a kit that I am ready to rock and roll on. It's been a while, but I am ready for it. This is going to be my second group build that I'm going to jump into. This one's going to be my third group build because I'm waiting on the kit. This is put on by Jason Klein from KRD Racing Design. It's called Dragon Drive Group Build 2026, hosted by KRD. This starts January 1st also of 2026 and ends December 25th of 2026. So it's the same as Bruce's. So maybe you can mush mash together and get both of them in the same one or not. What this one is take your drag to the track and then put the wheels and everything on it. So you'll have a trailer with it with all your fuel, your tools, your gas, your tires, and then street tires on the back, driving it to the show. I think it's a really cool idea. Check out KRD Racing Design on YouTube and watch his video for this. I can't wait to start it. Just like Bruce, I can't wait to do that. You know me, I love a lot of chrome. But then Lennis, he started one. This is the first annual Lennis Schultz Build It Again group build. And this one's really cool too because you take a kit that you already built and then you build it again. So you know me, I love doing these group builds and I love doing my roadsters. So I'm going to jump into that, redoing my 30 Ford Model A Coupe from Revell. I did this a few years ago. I did it pretty close to the colors of the kit. The engine I did, it's not the same engine setup and everything. I did the baby Hemi on it and all that. I learned a lot about that engine I didn't know anything about. But this is what I'm rebuilding. This was, I think, like the second or third kit, maybe the first kit that I ever lit, because this had the open trunk, and the trunk's over there. It just fell off when I went to grab it. I had a blast doing this kit. It's one of the best Tamiya paint jobs I've ever done. One of the nicest engines. It was fun to build this engine. I'm not going to do this engine, and I'll show you what's going on here, because I'm going to mishmash a couple of builds together at the same time. I'm actually going to build 2 kits. This one and the other one I'll show you here in a second. And to keep it as a build it again, I am going to keep the fenders on the new one. Just you'll see. I'm gonna do it the way I want to do it this time. Let's get the guys out of the way. I even had a visitor today. He came in to help get the glare done on the box. Angry Spock. He said he'd hold it up for me. But I like this kit a lot. But I always thought this kit would look really sweet with a flathead in it. So what I'm going to do is take the 32 Ford Tudor sedan. It's a 2-in-1 kit. It comes with the flathead. So let me spin this around for you. It comes with the flathead on it. And I'm looking at the screen and not the box. And I want to do that. I want to do it with the Stromberg carburetors, just like that. These rims are going to probably end up, this is going to go on this kit, and probably with these rims. Because I think that's the way I want to go. I think I even did that. Yeah, I did that with these. So I'd be about doing the same rims and everything. It's just going to be a different color kit, different engine. It's going to get lit. But I love this car. It was one of my favorite builds. It's not a hard kit. There's a lot of parts to it. It's not a hard kit to build, but what I wanted to do with this is I wanted to show you that if you had a couple of these things, which, I mean, they're everywhere. If you grabbed a couple of them, these parts pretty much are interchangeable, so you can just about do what you want to do with it. I think the frames on these are flipping identical, so the only thing you need to do is with the flathead, I know this has a plate that goes in on the frame for the motor mount, which I know that's going to just swap right over to the frame on the motor mount on this one. I already did an unboxing of this. I will do an unboxing of this when I start to build. But right now I am behind the gun because I have one more video to put out for the IPMS model show, and I am in the middle of painting figures. Oh my gosh, his eyes look so bright right now. They aren't. He's missing his eyebrows too, by the way. I haven't done them yet. But I'm doing these for a friend of the show, along with a new person for the shop and a Vespa. But we're doing this, and I also want to throw in that I am going to do my 24-hour build again October 10th this year. It'll start at 8 a.m. and go on until 8 a.m. the next day. So look for that logo to come out, or that picture to come out, and be ready for it. Again, with that, I allow everybody to get their bodies painted, decaled, and all that, so that it's a lot smoother of a build. But right now, this is where we're going next. I just have some pants to paint and a couple of eyebrows, and I'll be on it. Quick video, just letting you know what I'm up to. So, thank you very much. I want to thank Gallery for everything. They got some new stuff coming down the pipe that I think everybody's going to be interested in. If you do want to get something now, use Grandpa Mark in the coupon code, and you'll get 10% off of your order, even if it's on sale. I want to thank our active duty members, our veterans, and our first responders for putting it out on the line every single day so we can do what we're doing, and I salute each and every one of you. I also want to thank all of you for following along, giving me the thumbs up, the subscribes, and all that. I really appreciate it. But anyhow, with that, again, thank you very much for watching. Y'all have a great day and a better tomorrow.